Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we have something truly special sitting on the turntable. We're looking at the legendary 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am from Smokey and the Bandit, and this one is brought to us by Jada. But before we continue, I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, for going to the cross for us, for his love, his sacrifice, and his grace. Now let's continue with the show. Now this isn't just a diecast car, this is a piece of movie history. This is one of those cars that instantly takes you back. When someone says Smokey and the Bandit, this is the first image that comes to mind. The black and gold Trans Am, fast, loud, bold, iconic. Let's start by just taking a moment to appreciate the overall look of this car. That deep, glossy black paint is beautiful. It's clean, it's smooth, and it gives the car that serious muscle car attitude. Then you've got the gold accents that set it all off. The gold wheels, the gold pinstriping, and the little touches of gold all around the body really bring this thing to life. Now let's talk about that hood. This is where the magic happens. That Firebird decal, also known as the Screaming Chicken, is the soul of this car. It's bold, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. Jada did an excellent job capturing the detail and placement of that decal. This is the heart of the Trans Am, and without it, it just wouldn't be the same. Moving down the side of the car, you can see the Trans Am badging right there on the fender. That's one of those small details that makes a big difference. It tells you exactly what you're looking at. This isn't just a Firebird. This is a Trans Am. Now let's check out these wheels. Those gold snowflake rims are legendary. They fit the car perfectly and complete that black and gold theme. This setup is what made this car stand out from everything else on the road back in the day. Take a look at the stance too. It sits just right. Low, wide, and aggressive. Even in diecast form, you can feel the muscle car presence. Now let's open up the doors and look inside. You can see the seats, the dashboard, the steering wheel, and the center console. Jada did a great job giving us that interior detail so it doesn't feel empty. It actually feels like a real scaled-down version of the real thing. This is what separates a collectible from a simple toy. Now let's pop the hood and take a look under there. You can see the engine bay detail, and while it's not meant to be a full mechanical replica, it gives you enough to appreciate the craftsmanship. It adds to the realism and makes the model feel complete. Swinging around to the front of the car, the headlights and grille design are spot on. That split grille with the Pontiac emblem in the middle is another signature feature of this generation Firebird. The gold trim around the headlights is such a nice touch and really sharpens the look. Now around the back, we've got the Trans Am lettering, the Pontiac badging, and that Smokey and the Bandit license plate. That plate alone adds so much character. It's a small detail, but it brings the whole theme together. And let's not forget about the replica belt buckle that comes with this set. That is straight from the movie. That buckle is legendary, and having it included makes this diecast even more special. It turns this from just a car into a full collector's piece. This is the kind of diecast that isn't just about the model. It's about the story. It's about the movie. It's about the era. It's about American muscle car culture at its finest. When you put this on the shelf, it's not just another car. It's a conversation piece. People see it and immediately know what it is. That's how powerful this car is. Jada really did an incredible job with this one. From the paint, to the decals, to the details, and even the extras like the buckle, everything feels well thought out. This is definitely one of those pieces that belongs in any serious diecast collection, especially if you're a fan of movie cars or classic muscle. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Is this one already in your collection, or is it going on your wish list? And tell me, what movie car should we put on the Diecast Speedway turntable next? So that's all we have for today, but stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing this Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and his 2017 Ford GT from Jada. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to go check out what other cool rides we have here at Speedway Diecast. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.